Today is Friday, 26th of April 24. I'm going to analyze DAX. So yesterday we had this is the 30 minutes time frame. We had this massive drop because of the macro news, and since then prices recovered. So what we can have a look quickly. So yesterday we had the advanced GDP quarter to quarter. We came much lower than the expected, forecasted. So we had some selling pressure. Unemployment claims came lower than expected, which is good, but that also may have compensated for that recovery. So for today's news, we don't have much important news in the morning, so it's not major news, but we've got the core PCE data from US dollar. So of course, if it comes above the forecasted, we could have a selling pressure. If it stays the same, we could actually have a ranging or higher prices. Also, we've got the consumer sentiment. If it drops, we could have a selling pressure. If it increases, we could have a buying pressure. So let's look at the daily time frame. As you can see, price dropped yesterday. This is yesterday's candle, and then price drew, so we wick down, and then price since then recovered to this between these two zones. So if you look at we went down here to this 4-hour zone, and then we came up and we reclaimed this region. So now we're testing to see if this zone can be supported. That's the next question. So let's look at that's the 4-hour we just spoke about, and the 30 minutes time frame. Oh, just before we forget, so on the 4-hour, so I can see the higher high and higher lows. So I could see trend reversal here, so we could have a bullish or uptrend momentum, depending how the market is going to react towards any news. So, but on the lower time frame, which is this is the 30 minutes, we can see more like a bearish sort of sentiment. But I'm more keen on looking at the higher time frame. That's more valid in our trading. So the 4-hour mainly. So the three scenarios that we have in my mind. So today we started sort of breaking above the Asian range high. We failed, and we are still testing that zone again. So the two bullish scenario that I do have after breaking this Asian range high, so from the A to B, so or even if it supports this zone, if the price come back down and supports this zone and go up, so I'm looking for to take some long trade around here. So, and if the price breaks below the Asian range low, then I'm looking for a short position, but I'm not looking to go lower than this zone. That's the 4-hour zone that I had in my mind, but I'm more bullish on the on a long trade rather than a short trade, and that's the sentiment that I'm getting from the 4-hour time frame. So I hope you found this video useful. Please like the video if you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much. Have a good day.